What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Dougie. Been wanting to try this for a long time. I have a bike that's got one of those U-locks on it. Can't find the key. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna open it up. And I did take a glance at something where you can use a air compressor. So I'm in the store right now, trying to try to get one and then go ahead and use it. We'll see how it works. We're in the store, we're looking around, trying to find it. It's gotta be somewhere here. Not in the kids section, that's for sure. The hairspray. Let's see what it do. Here we go. All right. So now let's get this bike thing in order. Time to get the bike and do this. All right. There's that baby blue. So apparently all we need is the air gun here. So put into the keyhole and freeze it. Holy shit, that actually worked. Wow, I didn't think that shit would work. I'm surprised. Wow, I couldn't believe that actually worked. It totally came off. All I needed was an air spray, hammer, and the rest was done. I guess YouTube sometimes does work. I'm out.